Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Fetch how to use code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you have a Fetch referral or promo code, in order to enter it, what you need to do is first head over and open up your app store, and then on the search bar type in Fetch and look for an app icon like this on your search list. Then tap on it. Now tap on Get to simply download the app, and once the download is complete, what you need to do is tap on Open. Now here, sign up with your email or social account, and when prompted, enter your referral or promo code in the designated field. Then complete registration and scan your first receipt to activate the bonus point. Now, for existing users, before scanning a receipt, if you are already signed up but haven't a receipt yet, open the Fetch app and then tap on Me tab on the bottom right. Then tap on Refer a Friend or enter a referral code. Then enter the code and submit, and scan your first receipt to receive bonus points. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.